Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through your bank statement, a casual glance, and bam! A charge hits you like a cold shower. What is that, you think, squinting at the cryptic description? It's a subscription. One you vaguely remember signing up for during a free trial, or maybe it was bundled with something else. It's draining your wallet, month after month, and you're absolutely done with it. Sound familiar? We've all been there. The digital age has brought us a tidal wave of subscriptions, streaming services, fitness apps, premium software, you name it. They promise convenience, value, and a better you. But often, they become a financial black hole, silently siphoning off your hard-earned cash. And one name keeps popping up in the conversation around subscription management: Rocket Money. Now, you might be thinking, great, another app to manage my apps. But the reality is, Rocket Money has become a go-to tool for many looking to wrestle back control of their finances. But the big question is, how do you actually use it to cancel those pesky unwanted subscriptions? That's what we're going to dive into today. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why subscriptions are so insidious. It's not just about the money, though that's a huge part of it. It's also about the mental clutter. Each subscription represents a decision, a commitment, even if it's a tiny one. And these tiny commitments add up, creating a constant hum of financial anxiety. Think about it, that streaming service you signed up for to watch one specific show, and now you haven't touched it in months. Or the fitness app you were so motivated about in January, but now it's just another icon on your phone screen. These subscriptions are like digital cobwebs, trapping your money and your peace of mind. And canceling them? Often, it's a labyrinth. Companies aren't exactly incentivized to make it easy to leave. They bury cancellation options deep within their websites or apps, hoping you'll give up and stay subscribed. It's a frustrating, time-consuming process. That's where Rocket Money aims to simplify things. It promises to be your subscription detective, sniffing out those hidden charges and giving you the power to cancel them with a few clicks. But does it really work? Let's find out. First things first, you'll need to sign up for Rocket Money. It's available as an app on both iOS and Android, as well as a website. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link your bank accounts and credit cards. This is crucial because Rocket Money needs access to your transaction history to identify your subscriptions. Now, I know what you're thinking, linking my bank accounts? That sounds risky. And you're right to be cautious. Data security is paramount. Rocket Money uses encryption and other security measures to protect your information, but it's always a good idea to read their privacy policy and understand how they handle your data. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will scan your transactions and generate a list of your subscriptions. It's surprisingly thorough. You'll see everything from your major streaming services to those smaller, more obscure subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Now comes the moment of truth, canceling those unwanted subscriptions. Rocket Money offers a couple of options. You can either cancel directly through the app, or you can have Rocket Money's concierge service handle the cancellation for you. Let's start with the direct cancellation option. If Rocket Money can automatically cancel a subscription, you'll see a cancel button next to it. Clicking this button will initiate the cancellation process. In some cases, you might be redirected to the subscription provider's website or app to complete the cancellation. The process is generally straightforward, but it's not always seamless. Some subscriptions require you to jump through a few hoops, even with Rocket Money's help. But even if you have to go through the website yourself, the app still shows you where the subscription is and how much you are paying. Now, let's talk about the concierge service. This is where Rocket Money really shines. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn subscription, or if you simply don't have the time or patience to deal with it yourself, you can enlist Rocket Money's help. The concierge service will act as your advocate, contacting the subscription provider on your behalf and handling the cancellation process. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're dealing with multiple subscriptions. However, there's a catch. The concierge service is a paid feature. It's part of Rocket Money's premium subscription, which costs a monthly or annual fee. Whether it's worth it depends on how much you value your time and how many subscriptions you need to cancel. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money offers a range of other features designed to help you manage your finances. You can track your spending, create budgets, and even negotiate lower bills. One of the most useful features is the spending tracker. It categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. This can be eye-opening, revealing spending habits you might not have been aware of. The budgeting tools are also helpful. You can set spending limits for different categories and track your progress over time. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. And then there's the bill negotiation feature. Rocket Money will contact your service providers, such as your cable or internet company, and attempt to negotiate lower rates on your behalf. Again, this is a paid feature, but it can potentially save you a significant amount of money. Now, let's address some common concerns about Rocket Money. Some people worry about the security of their data, as we discussed earlier. Others are hesitant to pay for a subscription management service. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and decide whether Rocket Money is right for you. If you're struggling to manage your subscriptions and you're looking for a convenient solution, it might be worth considering. If you are concerned about security, then do your due diligence and read the privacy policies. If you are concerned about the cost, then begin by using the free version of the app to see if it delivers any value. Remember, Rocket Money is just a tool. It's not a magic bullet. It won't solve all your financial problems, but it can help you take control of your subscriptions and gain a better understanding of your spending habits. The real power lies in your hands. Once you've identified those unwanted subscriptions, you have the power to cancel them and reclaim your financial freedom. It's about being intentional with your spending and making conscious decisions about where your money goes. It's about cutting out the noise and focusing on what truly matters. So, go ahead, take a closer look at your bank statements. Identify those subscriptions that are draining your wallet. And if you need a helping hand, consider giving Rocket Money a try. You might be surprised at how much money you can save and how much peace of mind you can gain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.